Hello dear subscribers, that will tell how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, update option not showing, update messaging on your Instagram. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just go to App Store, just tap on search, just go to search tab and just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update. So just try to update your Instagram app. So this is the first way you need to try. Another way you need to try is just try to restore your network. So just tap on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just go to the general again, just open software update. And if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install them on your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.